Garcia, grade 12 Stellar, and this is my performance task in Cookery 1. Let's go! In this video, you can see what is cleaning kitchen premises. First, collect loose dust by sweeping the kitchen floor daily by a broom or static sweeper, and wiping down countertops, table, and other surfaces with a cleaning rag. To remove the sticky buildup, wipe with a damp cleaning rag and wipe a damp mop over your kitchen floor. Next, mix 1 gallon warm water in a bucket with 1/2 cup white vinegar and 1 teaspoon dish soap. As you can see, I'm measuring the vinegar, putting it in the container, getting the dish soap, and putting about 1 teaspoon. The diluted vinegar solution make it safe for any kitchen floor surface, while it's still strong enough to clean and disinfect. The dish soap assists in cutting through any food residue that may be on the kitchen floor. Let your floor air dry after cleaning. Number 3. Making a all-purpose cleaner in a spray bottle. First, put a warm water in a container. Next, about 1/2 cup vinegar. And then last, about 1 teaspoon dish soap. Spray the solution on the kitchen surface and wipe off with a damp cleaning rag. This works well on any type of kitchen surface including cabinetry, sinks, tables, counters, and any other area that requires cleaning. At last, fill a few bowls with about 1/2 cup each of baking soda. Right here, I'm putting the baking soda somewhere in the kitchen to absorb odor and keep the kitchen smelling fresh. You can put the baking soda in your refrigerator too. That's all guys, thank you for watching.